So next, just so HTML part 3, HTML part 3. So ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి head, title, style, and తర్వాత ఇక్కడ body. Okay. So when all as we discussed in HTML, where there are two parts in HTML. One is head and body. The head
Body.
have title and also style tags. The style tags are allocated for the elements. That whatever the elements are there, for those elements we are going to apply the styles actually. So and also we have here the para. So here in the body section, we can give as para, division, and also different elements we can be able to provide here. So I'm having here the para tag, which is like which is a center for smart governance. This is my the title actually bold title. Location is some restaurant for TTMC, and also I'm giving some abbreviations. If I go on top of the CSG, I will find the center for smart governance. So this section of this program, we will discuss about a few tags, and also we will discuss about child stylings. Okay. So
Okay.
so we are having some paras here. The first part is the para, so which is having a bold tag, and it is displaying some kind of center for smart governance. And next is like abbreviation, like which is like a title, center for smart governance. So that is for the CSC, and also next is like again we are having here the division. So division is also like one of the place where you can able to put some tags. Okay. Div style color equal to blue. What is meant by color equal to blue? The text of the division will always have the blue colors. So whatever the text inside this division, the font size will become blue. So here I am going to have here again B for the B for bold, and it is for sales. And again I am having here sales CST. Superscript. SUP means superscript, which is like TM. So sales CST, TM like little letter, it will come. So already we saw about the superscript in the previous program. Also here I am going to have a para in a division. There are 30 employees working sales department. That is the one of the so it is a para. Okay, next is like I'm going to have here the division. So B finance, and finance employees are 20 in count. So this is again one more division. This is one more division, and this is one more division. Two are different divisions. So first one is containing sales details. Second one is containing the finance details. In the finance details, I am having a para, and inside this para, I am having a bold tag. So if we are considering this bold tag as a child, then the para will be the parent. If this is the parent, the div is this parent. The div is having two children. One is bold, other one is para. Again, para is having one children, that is bold. Okay. Again, this div also belong to body. Body is the parent of the div, and this body is again a child of HTML, right? So that is how that is the hierarchy, how it is followed. So the div is having two children, bold and para. Again, para is having one child, that is like bold. Okay. So if I want to apply on top of the style for only this bold, okay, only this para, so I can apply within child styling P space B. So wherever it found para with an associated bold tag, that particular color, text color will become green. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, and also I'm having here the division. IT means the information technology. Bold color line IT development. IT development happens in Java .NET React technology. This is then one more division. So where the bold style is applicable only for the IT development.
I
Okay.
did.
Yeah, IT. So yeah, I will just show you one example first. So see here, there is division and also center for smart governance. I have given here. The center for smart governance, since it is immediate child of the para, that's why this color is becoming in the green color. That is how this P space we call green apply. And also, if you observe, like okay, next is like here we are seeing one more. So here, if I go for the CSD, and I hover on top of it, I can find here the value center for smart workers like that. And also here I can find the sales superior tag as the TM. And also there are 30 employees working in sales department. Why this division is becoming as like a gray color in the background? Because in the styles I already have given the light gray color for the div. Background color will always represent the background color of the text of the element. Also font size is some 20 pixel. I am just applying for that. So and also here this para and also count. If you observe this count only becoming green. Why it is becoming green? Because we are already gave this P space P and color as green.
Green.
So next is like we will go with the other one. Div IT means information technology. So this is also that color is like a lime I have given. So you can give here some other color also. For example, yellow or something. Yellow you can give. So and you can refresh the screen. So refresh the screen. You should save it first and refresh the screen. So you will find the which is yes is not. So you can find the IT development in the yellow. Okay. And
Okay.
also IT development happens in the Java and React technologies. Why this para is in the maroon color? Because we have given in the styles this para color as a maroon color. Always color mentions the text color, not the background color. Background color is different, text color is different. Color will always mention text color.
Text color.
And also here, if you see, next is like this span tag. Okay. So before I am going for the span tag, I will just tell you about these divisions. If you observe, if I do a division and I am writing some text inside it, what is happening? The scope of it is until end of the browser. Okay. The scope of it is like until the end of the browser. It is not allowing if I write, suppose I wrote here division and I have two divisions, one after the other. But it is not allowing this division to sit beside it. It is allowing to write it in the next lines. It is not allowing this division is not allowing to sit beside the one more division. Why this is happening is the division is a block scoped element. Block scoped element means, so irrespective of the text, whatever you are having, the scope of the element will be up to end of the browser. Irrespective of the text what you are having, the scope of the scope of the text the element will be until end of the browser. Until end of the browser, it will extend. Okay.
అంటే ఏంటన్న ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్రౌజర్ వర్కింగ్ ఏంటన్న
అంటే లాస్ట్ దాకా ఇప్పుడు ఇది నేను డివిజన్ పెట్టానంటే ఇది ఈ టెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ దాకే ఉంది కదా, కానీ అది డివిజన్ అక్కడ దాకా ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి కదా, కానీ అట్లా ఎండ్ అవ్వదు, లాస్ట్ దాకా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అన్నమాట. అది దాని పక్కన దేన్ని కూడా ఉండనివ్వదు. అది
ఓకే
నువ్వు జస్ట్ సేల్స్ అని ఇచ్చి డివ్ లో సేల్స్ అని టెక్స్ట్ ఇచ్చినా కూడా హైట్ మాత్రం దానికి ఎంత ఉందో అంత తీసుకుంటుంది, కానీ విడ్త్ మాత్రం లాస్ట్ దాకా తీసుకుంటుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే, అంటే ఇట్ విల్ ఆక్యుపై. ఇంకా దిస్ బ్లాక్ స్కోప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఒకసారి మనము రాస్తే దోస్ బ్లాక్ స్కోప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ విల్ ఆక్యుపై దేర్ scope until end of the process, and they will always start in a new line. అవి ఎప్పుడు కొత్త లైన్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. సో అదే విధంగా మనకి ఇవన్నీ ఈ డివిజన్స్ అన్ని బ్లాక్ స్కోప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నమాట.
ఓకే,
సో నేను ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపిస్తాను. సో హియర్ సో హియర్ మనం చూసినట్టయితే సో హియర్ ఇఫ్ వి సీ ఈ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి కూడా లాస్ట్ దాకా వచ్చేసింది. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ కేమ్ అప్ టు ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్రౌజర్. నో వన్ ఇస్ నో దిస్ డివిజన్, దిస్ para, everything is like up to end of the browser they will occupy, but not span. Span ala kaadu. Span is like an inline element. Its span scope is until end of the text. So text ఎక్కడ దాకా ఉంటుందో అక్కడ దాకా మాత్రమే అది ఆక్యుపై చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట స్పాన్. ఓకే
ఓకే,
సో we have different span is an inline element. It is used to display the text, however it ranges till end of the text. Span is an inline element. It is used to display the text, however it ranges to the end of the text. After the text completes inline element stops scope. ఈ inline elements scope అని స్టాప్ చేస్తారు. సో మనకు we have different inline elements like span, input, hold, etc. Block scoped elements కూడా we have different, many are there, like division, section, form, article, not para, etc. So many are there. These are all also block scoped elements. They will block the entire browser.
Okay,
so let us think I have a division. This division I kept two other divisions. Okay, I have a division. For this division I am having two other divisions. ఈ డివిజన్ లోపల నేను టూ అదర్ డివిజన్స్ పెట్టాను. ఏమవుతుంది, దీనికి ఒక స్కోప్ తీసుకుంటుంది, దీనికి ఒక స్కోప్ till end of the browser. See, this is like up to end of the browser, this is up to end of the browser. So irrespective of the text, it is occupying. Okay, so
okay,
అదే విధంగా నేను సేమ్ div సేమ్ div, బట్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఐ కెప్ట్ టూ స్పాన్స్ నౌ. నేను ఇప్పుడు రెండు స్పాన్స్ పెడతాను. So once I kept the span here, what will happen is like style, background color, light coral, welcome, HTML. So ఇది just ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇస్తే side by side వచ్చినాయి. If you observe, they came okay, because they are inline and they are inline elements. The name itself mentioned they will be within the line only. So
okay,
they are this span manam, once we kept the span there, they will be like side by side. If I give you the divisions, they will be arranged one after the other.
Okay.
Yeah, this is one of the good examples which demonstrates about inline element and also block scope elements, and also how the inline elements are occupying the end of the browser, and also uh, how the block scope elements are occupying the end of the browser, how the inline elements are occupying the end of the text. So like that, how they were happening. So we can able to find out here.
Okay.
And, yeah. Here you observe. So next is like this is all about the program. So these styles are nothing but division. For division, I have given some style. Para, I give some style. Para, bold, I give some style, and span, I given some style. So for the span, whatever I have given, if you observe the span element I have given, no, that is, for example, here. So this is my span element, correct? So this for the
Okay.
span element, color is like blue violet, background color light yellow. This one, okay. But if you observe, there is one more span element in the bottom. So for this span element, that style is not applicable. For this span element, whatever the inline style I have given, only that will be applicable, not the whatever style I have given in the internal styling. Why? Because inline elements are more powerful. Inline stylings are more powerful. If you give any inline styling, that is like a higher preference compared to any other stylings, whatever you have given inside the HTML program. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇస్తారో అది మాత్రమే
Okay.
తీసుకోవాలి. సో దీనికి సపరేట్ గా మనం ఎలిమెంట్ స్టైల్ ఇచ్చినా కూడా తీసుకోవాలి. ఇన్లైన్ స్టైల్స్ will always like are more powerful. They are the first preference. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt in this program?
లేదండి.
Then
Thank you.
yeah, class stop